Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. For Indian citizens, choosing an affordable country to relocate to or travel to often depends on factors like the cost of living, exchange rates, availability of jobs, and visa policies. Here's a detailed exploration of the top 10 cheapest countries for Indians, analyzing why they are budget-friendly and what makes them attractive destinations. 1. Nepal. Why it's affordable. Nepal's geographical proximity and open border policy make it extremely accessible for Indians. With the Indian rupee widely accepted, there's no currency exchange hassle, and the cost of living is significantly lower. Highlights: 1. Affordable accommodation and food options. 2. Shared cultural and religious ties, especially for Hindu and Buddhist communities. 3. Trekking in the Himalayas is a major attraction. Average monthly cost: 20,000 Indian rupees 30,000. 2. Bhutan. Why it's affordable. Bhutan offers a visa-free entry for Indians, and the exchange rate of the Bhutanese ngultram, par with the INR, ensures no financial surprises. The government promotes sustainable tourism, but daily expenses remain low for Indian travelers. Highlights: 1. Beautiful monasteries and serene landscapes. 2. A strong cultural bond with India. 3. Low crime rates and pollution. Average monthly cost: 25,000 Indian rupees 35,000. 3. Sri Lanka. Why it's affordable. With the Sri Lanka rupee weaker than the Indian rupee, Sri Lanka offers great value for money. Accommodation, food, and travel expenses are budget-friendly, especially for tourists. Highlights: 1. Stunning beaches and historical sites. 2. Affordable shopping for tea, spices, and gems. 3. Visa on arrival for Indians simplifies the travel process. Average monthly cost: 30,000 Indian rupees 40,000. 4. Vietnam. Why it's affordable. Vietnam offers a low cost of living, especially for food, transportation, and accommodation. The Vietnamese dong is significantly weaker compared to the INR, making it an economical destination for Indian travelers and expats. Highlights: 1. Street food like pho and banh mi is delicious and cheap. 2. Scenic destinations like Ha Long Bay and ancient towns like Hoi An. 3. Easy visa application process for Indians. Average monthly cost: 25,000 Indian rupees 35,000. 5. Indonesia. Why it's affordable. Indonesia, particularly Bali, is a popular destination for Indians. The weaker Indonesian rupiah compared to the INR and a wide range of budget accommodations make it attractive. Highlights: 1. Affordable yet luxurious experiences in Bali. 2. Rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. 3. Vegetarian food options are abundant for Indian travelers. Average monthly cost: 30,000 Indian rupees 50,000. 6. Cambodia. Why it's affordable. Cambodia is known for its affordable lifestyle. From street food to transportation, the cost of living is among the lowest in Southeast Asia, making it ideal for Indian travelers and expats. Highlights: 1. The iconic Angkor Wat temples. 2. Affordable travel and accommodation options. 3. A welcoming visa policy for Indians. Average monthly cost: 25,000 Indian rupees 40,000. 7. Philippines. Why it's affordable. Although certain touristy islands like Boracay can be expensive, the overall cost of living in the Philippines is affordable for Indians. The exchange rate is favorable, and public transportation is cheap. Highlights: 1. Over 7,000 islands to explore. 2. Vibrant local culture and festivals. 3. Easy visa process for Indian nationals. Average monthly cost: 30,000 Indian rupees 45,000. 8. Malaysia. Why it's affordable. Malaysia combines affordability with modern amenities. Public transportation is well developed and cheap, while street food offers diverse and inexpensive options. Highlights: 1. Iconic landmarks like the Petronas Towers. 2. Culturally rich areas such as Penang and Malacca. 3. Low-cost airlines make intra-country travel affordable. Average monthly cost 35,000 Indian rupees 50,000. 9. Thailand. Why it's affordable? Thailand is one of the most popular destinations for Indians due to its affordability and easy visa process. From budget-friendly accommodations to inexpensive local cuisine, it caters to all types of travelers. Highlights: 1. Vibrant nightlife and serene beaches. 2. Shopping havens like Bangkok's markets. 3. Temple tours and cultural experiences. Average monthly cost 30,000 Indian rupees 45,000. 10. Uzbekistan. Why it's affordable? Uzbekistan has emerged as a budget-friendly travel destination, with the Uzbekistani som being weaker than the INR. Accommodation, food, and transportation costs are highly economical. Highlights: 1. Rich history and stunning Silk Road architecture. 2. Welcoming locals and easy visa policies. 3. Unique cuisine influenced by Central Asia and the Middle East. Average monthly cost 25,000 Indian rupees 40,000. Conclusion: these 10 countries stand out for their affordability and welcoming policies for Indian travelers and expats. Whether you are looking to explore diverse cultures, settle in for the long term, or just stretch your travel budget, these destinations offer the perfect blend of cost effectiveness and enriching experiences. Always check visa requirements and currency exchange rates before planning your trip, and enjoy the journey to your dream destination. Thank you for watching this video.